We start our program off with the global variables that control the speed the character moves at, the initial scene that the game is on, if the timer is initially off, and starting and stopping the counting in milliseconds. Then we have our button class from con, which has what the button will look like here, checks to see if the mouse is inside the button, what function to call when the mouse is inside, and what the button will be labeled and do. Here it will be labeled start game, and when clicked it will go to scene 1, which is the game, and it will start the timer. The button will be clickable only on scene 0, which is the splash screen. Here we have the character's constructor function, what the character will look like going up and down as long as it's size. Here we have the bars constructor function. Here we have what the bars will look like, the different colors. Then we create a new character. Then we create a bar array. Then we fill the bar array with 100 bars twice. Then we create an array for the blocks at the bottom of the game screen. Then we fill the array with 25 blocks. Then we have our splash screen function, which is filled with everything you see here. Then we have our lose scene, which is filled with 2 for loops for the ground blocks, as you can see here. Then we have our game function, which has the bars moving and the static background images, as well as the ground blocks moving at the bottom. Here we have the collision detection. This if statement checks when a point should be added to the score, and this one checks when to switch to scene 2 and end the game. And our bars are moving to the left, the speed of 1. This is for our text in the score in the top corner. And to move the character, it's key code 0, which is the space bar. And when it's not being pressed, the character will go down. Then we draw our character. Then we have the start of our draw function, which chooses the game scene. And then we close our draw function to end our program.